Ooh, another MX-5. There used to be 3 here, including mine. Now there's only 1 left. And there's this GT RF that's inside the showroom floor. It's gorgeous, but it's automatic, so it's not for me. Still looks really good, though. I sat in it before I bought mine. Pretty cool.
Got what I came for. These grommet plugs for the undercarriage of the MX-5. My car didn't come with it. I looked for it all over inside, couldn't find it. So I reached out to the dealership and they got it for me right away. I'm glad I didn't have to go buy and order them because I think the only way to get these are online or through these retailers in Australia and Germany. And that would take too long. So I'm glad that they took care of me and they sent it right away, or they got me a pair right away. So I'm going to go home now and install those grommets and call it good.
As you can see at the Eldorado Mazda in McKinney, Texas, there are 6 more on the lot, a mix of RF and soft top, but none of these have the DBR package, I don't think. It doesn't look like it, at least based on the wheels.
All right, just got home with these things, and before I install them, I just want to make sure there's nothing in there. The holes that these are supposed to plug in, I just want to make sure that nothing got in there, whether it's moisture, liquid, whatever, or dust. I don't know. Maybe even bugs, spiders. We'll see. I'm gonna back up the car on the driveway. I'm gonna just use a wet, dry vac and kind of do that, and then I'll plug it in with these. All right. This hole is supposed to be right under where the door handle begins. It's supposed to be right under there, past the arrow, the side skirt, and then the next one over, there should be a hole there. So I'm going to now see what I can get out of there. And as you can imagine, I got nothing. But I just did that for peace of mind. I'll show you what that hole looks like. Yeah, I got nothing, but I don't know. You never know. I just wanted it for my peace of mind before I plug it up. This is what they look like. This is the outside, and that's the inside. There's no part number for it, but I found them online. I just didn't want to order from Australia or Germany and wait that long. And luckily for me, my dealership, the sales guy that hooked me up sooner rather than later. I appreciate that. But I'm going to install these now. All right, that's one side done. That's I did that completely blind. Hopefully you were able to see that. All you have to do is just feel the edges, make sure that it's completely plugged. All right, now I'm gonna do this side. Oh God, the ground's hot. Ow. Oh yeah, she's all done. It is scorching hot out here today in Texas, but we gotta do what we gotta do. All right, well, that concludes the video. See you around later.